Alright, welcome to the wheel swap. I just shaved the fender, the inside fender. There you go. And I'm gonna try to do it the same here too. Let's see, dude, if I can still do it safely here. Holding it steady. Hi Ellie Hot Wheels, how are you, man? You doing okay? Sorry, I'm just kind of doing the fender shaping right now. So. Yep, this is the best. Actually, this is the best one that I found out. So it is good to have this. So and that's why it takes you, like, you can do it like real slow, and then this is like the things, the end product of the shaving. As you can see it, I don't do it like in one stroke. So you can see like a couple of lines there, here. I don't know if you can see it though. Hold on. I'll do it like that. You can see like the strokes. So if you do it like in one stroke, it will be a very perfect cut out or shave. But because I'm doing it live and I don't want to mess up, although actually it's good to mess up, so you know you can do it better next time. Yeah, I just got it today, dude. I got it today on the European toy shop here. Where are you from, actually, Eli Hot Wheels? Eli Hot Wheels or Eli Hot Wheels? No, and I got the other one also. I got this. I want to do it now too, but I don't know if it's enough time. Alright, let me do this other stuff too. The other fender, I'm gonna do it too. I have to be very slow now. I have to take my time to do this, or else I'm gonna mess up my finger. I don't want that to. Alright, let's begin there. It's like skateboarding though. You're dropping into the ramp and going back and forth again. See how dangerous it is? So close to my fingers. I have to be very careful with it. Hey, Emmanuel, 1995, Abdon. How are you? Eli. All right, Eli. Cool. So the first pronunciation was good, right? All right, let's see. I'll try to do the same as the other one. As you can see, this one is like really already like really low, and the other one is not really that low. So I have to make it sure it will hit the hood a little bit, but not all. So let's do it again real very carefully. Steady hands. hits already there. There you go. So this one hits very well. See, oh sorry. This one hits there already, so it's good. And I have to do that the same there too. Thank you, Eli. You too. Take care. This one didn't hit the hood yet, so I have to go all the way to the hood. Yep, that one already hit the hood, so it's perfect. So, clean up shaping. And now, the biggest moment. Which one shall I choose? This one or this one? Too much to choose from though. Hey, M. Arham, welcome. There's so many things to choose from, man. Let me know which one you guys think it will fit better on this thing, on this casting, on the Mazda RX-3. Dude, sorry, dude. Sorry, Yolanda. Sorry, Drive Hard Syndicate. 5-spoke. What? This one? This one goes better there? You think? This is the same. Oh, this one. It's all good. Dude, Instagram kicked me out because it took me too long to make a video. I'd like to thank you guys been following this wheel swap actually. All right, since you guys, which that one? Hold on. Oh shoot. Let's put it back. This one? Or this one? Yeah, that's ridiculous, man. An hour. Come on, man. All nice. All right, I'm gonna do a little something here before. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna cut the axle as well. I just pop this thing in, and then let's see what how this thing will fit. All nice. Thank you. Let's see. I'm gonna have to clean up all this debris first. This metal debris. After this video, I have to clean up my phone as well because it's already under the this thing. So what I did, this is the front, already shaved, and the back you guys already follow this. So let's do some wild stuff. All right, I'm gonna do this. Open this thing, and I have to make space first before I'm gonna lose the axle too. This prevention. Oh, this is nice. It has 3 axles, 2 with the same I call it the same length, and the other one is like slightly longer, probably like a couple millimeters. And yeah, it's like 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, that's a good one. Let me open this thing. Not the right way, but it opens. So I'm gonna take the same axle. I can do it one by one, or else I'm gonna lose a lot of stuff. This is the one, right? Let's see how it goes here. So this thing looks cool, or not? Yeah, it looks cool though. Yeah. Good choice, man. Good choice. All right, let's do this thing. A lot of people use glue. They glue the things, actually, the bolts that goes into the axle. But I learned from the guy who sold me this wheels. He told me, like, you just only bend the thing though. Just bend the whole, if I can get it out. Yeah, that's one. So he told me, like, if you bend it a little bit, it gets stuck as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend it a little bit, just like that. See, it bent. And then put this thing inside. There you go. And slide the wheels in. And learn from some other guys as well, from other customizer. Harish again. Welcome back, dude. Sorry, Instagram kicked me out. Other customizer, they take this thing off and they flip it so it won't do the lambada. They said, see, this thing is like wiggly. But if you flip this thing to take them off and do it otherwise, so, and then it will go steady. Just another tip though. All right. Where's that thing? I'm gonna take the other wheels as well, or not. I'm gonna do this first. Just slide through. Actually, it's a perfect size. Oh, thanks. You don't have to cut nothing, dude. So it's all good. Not bad, not bad. Yeah. But we're gonna try with other wheels as well. Probably gonna have a battle between your choice, your wheel choice, and other people's wheel choice. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I hope I can manage to pop this thing in. Like normally you can also, hold on. Normally you can like open this thing as well. So what you have to do, just you can easily like connect and like bolt the wheels into the axle as well. And this is like the normal stuff. If you don't want to do a lot of stuff, like really keep it simple. Oh, this one I already bent it as well. So what you're gonna do is just slide this thing on in. I hope it goes. Yeah, it goes. It goes, baby. Yep, I can feel it. I can feel it. There you go. I need a little bit of help though from this thing. Oh, I use this. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, that's what you get if you have a lot of choices like this here. Yeah, that's sick. You cannot know which one is better than the other. Oh, look at this, dude. It looks nice, right? Only has to be like sturdy. All right, let's do what all the Instagram guys do. So that part I like it a lot when I see the videos of those guys who like building customizing the cars, and then they're gonna do it like on the flat surface, see how it goes. I was like, cool, man, it's almost done then. All right, let's do the other one as well. We take the shortest axle. Man, I'm really sorry for my nails though. Next time I have to cut my nails. I have to go to the manicured, so damn, it's so tiny and I don't have no tweezer here. No, it's all good. Again, you bend it again a little bit, slightly bit, and then pop the thing here. Shall we try with the other wheels? But does it roll? Right now it rolls, dude. Right now it rolls. It rolls. See, it rolls. Does it roll? Yeah, it rolls. Let's see. Shall we try this on the front? Hi, Mainan Aya. How are you? Thank you for passing by. My screen is very clean and clear. What kind of device I'm using? Just a normal handphone. Jarno de Groot. Alles goed, mijn jongen. Welkom. Which one? This one. So we do this in front, and then you guys can decide it. And I'll put the picture on the things on my feed, on my Instagram photo feed, and then you guys can fight about which wheels are the best to fit on this thing. Hold on, I don't mess it up. Oh dude, where's the other bolts? Oh, here. Oh, it's so tiny. Man, I got dry hands. I really have to take care of this also. Ooh, don't forget. So. Gelijk weten dat ik Nederlands ben. Nee jongen, dat weet ik dus niet. Maar dit is je tweede keer dat je mij voorgesteld hebt. Welkom man, een goede avond. Ik heb een leuke zaterdagmiddag gehad. Future Diecast Bros. Und welkom wieder. I sound that a good idea, drive a hard syndicate. If I put the two different wheels, and you guys have to comment on the feed I'm gonna put on and which wheels it goes. And if you send me whatever you want, I can ship it to you. I mean, the shipping cost, that's the best way to do, right? Yeah, sorry. I've just light it up again, sorry, because I didn't puff it too long. This is very bad, guys. Very bad. Don't do it. Don't do it. Well, if you want it, drive hard syndicate. And then you have to send me the shipping fee, and I'll ship it for you. And I don't finish it up, so you have to finish it up the whole thing. I just give you the wheels of choice that you get, and plus the casting as well. So that will be great for you to finish up, and then so we can make a great content and a nice content also for your Instagram. Sounds some good idea, right? Oh, gefeliciteerd man. Dat is heel goed dat je getest hebt. Schijnt dat ze gewoon heel moeite hebben om de testen te doen. Ik hoop dat je gewoon dichtbijzijnde testen hebt gedaan. Dus niet buiten de stad of zo. Buiten de stad waar je woont natuurlijk. Sorry guys, I have to speak with Jarno in Dutch. I know future diecast bro a little bit understand Dutch as well, because German and Dutch is slightly the same, almost the same. Oh shoot, sorry. Oh, dude, I'm working some dabs. Yeah, enjoy, man. Do your thing. Oh, I hate this. Dude, actually, I'm gonna tell you the truth though. Why I do this? I have so much in the first year that I'm collecting the custom diecast. I have so much casting right now that actually I'm thinning out. I'm sending stuff away. You can ask Carl Mosley, because we have this group. We call ourselves Wheel Swap Clicks. It's like 5 people now. It's me, Carl Mosley, main son of Diecast Custom, and Wife Mosley, plus one other German guy, Zero Diecast. Because we started with the wheel swap, so this thing, nah, you don't have to send me anything, bro. Just make sure you send me the shipping cost, and I'm happy with it. I'm not the kind of guy who really wants to do more stuff in the custom world. I just like collecting the custom nowadays. So I'm like thinning out. Thomas van Zandvliet, welkom. Een goedenavond. Good evening, Thomas van Zandvliet. It sounded better actually if you do it the Dutch name in English, especially the American English. Yes, it's slide through. I don't want to do it in front of the camera, or else it got jinxed. All right, so we got two different wheels, right? Let's put this thing on. All right, guys, which one? Which one looks better though? Let's see. I need the flat surface, because someone told me like, does it roll? Yes, dude, it does roll. It does roll. It looks cool, by the way. Keep it like this. Jarno, even kijken, de standaard Hot Wheels. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna answer this like in Dutch. Jarno de Groot. De standaard Hot Wheels heb ik 3 grote Albert Heijn tasjes. Dat zijn standaard. Die zijn nog niet aangeraakt. En de custom die ik gewoon heb op dit moment, denk ik, stuk of 20. 20 echt custom made. Door jongens uit Maleisië. Scale Custom KL, dat is zijn account. En ik heb natuurlijk van Mastodon heb ik ook. Dat is de eerste raffles die ik gewonnen heb van hem. Dat is die Supreme raffles. Probably everyone knows the Supreme raffles that Mastodon gave. And alright. So, guys, I'm gonna make a picture of this later on. And I'm gonna put this on my feed. And the one who who decided first, or who got the most like by your friends, whatever, just make sure you tell your followers as well to back you up. And I will count the likes of the comments that you have. So is it like this wheels or that wheels? That's really good too, with 2 different wheels. Dude, only 1 set of wheels, man. So alright, I'm gonna put like the interior and the okay, Arno, I'm gonna react. Tempe Diecast back again. Thank you, dude. Tempe Diecast, welcome back. Sorry, Instagram like kicked me out because I talked too long on the live feed. So they need the data. I mean, they need the space also for other people. All right, let me put this thing on. I like the interior crazy, dude. Just paint it and you're done with it, actually. So, oh wait, I have to clean up for you, man. No, clean up for the guy who want to get these. All right, where's the mirror? There is it. Sorry, guys. I have to blow it real hard. No, not camber. Not yet. This is just standard. I'll do it later, though. If I do it camber, then I have to prepare the axle as well. Sorry. There you go. All right, the rules is very easy. There's only like 3 people here. And just back up your... make sure your followers gonna back you up with likes. And the one who got the most likes. And I ship this with the choice of wheels, of course. Which wheels you want, that or that. I ship it to you. As long as you pay the shipping fee. And I'll be happy to ship it all the way to your place. If the shipping company also do their job to send it to you. Tutorial camber. You can go to JD. Jakarta Diecast project. He does the best. Or Aki Husodo has also a nice camber tutorial. I'm not doing very well with the camber though. I'm just doing some stuff that has to be regulated sometimes. All right, I think this is it for today. I'm gonna post some stuff and let's see what you guys do. Thank you for watching, everyone. Sorry that it took so long, like almost 2 hours to do this stuff. Talk too much. And I hope to see you guys next time. And for the next casting, probably, because I still have this one also to do. If someone wants it to do the wheel swap on it, I'm gonna shave it again, the wheels. I mean the walls inside. I'm gonna like unrivet all the things, but I'm not gonna put the bolts also. So you have to do it your bolts by yourself. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. This one I'm gonna do it also, and this one too, and this one too. So I hope you guys following this. And then I will send also the card, because I maybe next time I'm gonna open it with the acetone, so you still can put it back on. Actually, I put it like this, so I'm gonna ship it with the original card as well. All right, I wish you guys have a nice weekend. I'm gonna like enjoying this, and I'm gonna make some picture of it and then put it on the feed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Shortcut is mahal. It's expensive for real. This one is like, it's okay if you want the shortcuts. Just let me know. I'm gonna do the wheel shop. Fijn weekend, Jarno de Groot. Spreek je later. Yeah, just follow this this new content that I have. I'm gonna do it like the wheel swap live, drill it, and then the guys who had the most like on their comment about the choice of the wheels that you have, yeah, you I will ship it to you as long as you pay the shipment cost, and then so you guys will have a nice something from me. All right, thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.